Hi, my name is Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. I used to be a divorce mediator. Hopefully, you're already subscribed to this channel because we want you to learn about marriage the way marriage is supposed to be. I don't have a background in psychology. I was a divorce mediator. And so when I got into helping couples over 20 years ago, I kind of reinvented how we see marriage. And the main point is that we see marriage as the venue within which you're supposed to feel unbelievable amounts of happiness and love. And everything that I recommend in these videos is to guide you towards that reasonable and achievable goal. So this topic is, how do I make my husband feel special? And first I want to say thank you for caring about that. It's not that normal anymore. Most people are selfish. Now, it's not like people are evil and therefore they're selfish. We're selfish because we have a body. We're a soul, but we have a body. And we have a mind. And bodies, as you recall from your biology classes many years ago, are comprised of trillions of cells, and each and every one of those cells is striving for survival, isn't it so? And so you put them all together, and naturally, the whole purpose of your body is to survive. And unfortunately, it takes it to a point of ridiculousness when you look at it objectively, which is something you really should be doing. People who take our course recognize right away that's the first thing we talk about is mastering the mind so you can open your heart. And here's where we get into the topic. If you want your husband to feel special, you're so equipped for that because you married him. And so your relationship with him is so unique and it's already so special. But because we get our education about how to behave in marriage from television, sitcoms, and movies, we don't recognize the opportunity to treat our spouse, because this is also true for men wanting to make their wife feel special. There's a golden opportunity within this, what I call the sacred space of marriage, for you to make your husband feel special, special, special by treating him special, special, special. Now, unfortunately, because of our societal ideas, we think, for instance, that arguing is okay. But it's not. It's a huge drain. We think that criticizing, blaming, attacking, even little attacks, that it's okay. But it's not. We're taught incorrectly that you should take your stand, that you should express yourself, that you should tell him how you feel. Yes, you should tell him how much you love him. That's the only kind of expression, open expression, that should come from you. And then how can he help but feel special? Think about what makes you feel special. If someone compliments you all the time, if someone listens to you, if someone recognizes your positive attributes and compliments you on them, these are all manifestations, though, of your love for your husband. It always comes back to love. Love, love, love. And this is what we teach at the Marriage Foundation. You can watch these videos and you'll learn a lot about this. You could get one of my books, you could take the course for women, but it's always the same. It's all about love and avoiding those things that might undermine your efforts to express love. And that's what it's all about for him. And that should be what it's all about for you. You know, there's this misconception in the world that marriage is different, and there's a little bit of suffering and a little bit of sacrifice and a little bit of compromise, and all that's nonsense. There's a whole lot of learning how to love unconditionally, which supersedes all of these mundane ideas and transforms your marriage into the reason why you got married in the first place. I hope you continue to watch our videos, subscribe. Again, I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. We're here to serve you. God bless you. Thank you. And take care.